Take a look what I found on Aliexpress. And what do you think? What is it? What it says? 4-channel digital HIFI sound amplifier. Yes, 40 watts times 4. 4-channel audio amplifier with Bluetooth, karaoke player, with FM radio, support remote control, SD card. Wow! And you can get this thing for around $17 if you use one of the discount codes that you will find in description below. I found it interesting and I like it because of that V meter with a lot of LEDs and different colors. Love it, and that's why I have ordered it, and of course I got it. Oh, it comes in 2 colors, the blue and the black. I think that I ordered the black one. Let's see it. What it says, HIFI 3-in-1, USB SD FM. We have some cables, the DC jack for powering the amplifier. This is the antenna. Alright. Oh, they have also include aux cable with 3.5mm jack from one side and RCA jacks on the other side. Beautiful. Oh, the very popular design of the remote control. That's nice. Oh, it's this way. Oh, we have the instruction manuals. Alright. And take a look at this beauty. Wow. And yes, it's metal, it's aluminum. The model is BT998 music amplifier digital player made in China. Wow. Oh. I love that this volume knob have power on and off switch. Oh, let's see what it says in description first. The basic specs about this product: rated power 40 watts times 4, peak power 400 watts. I don't know about that. Signal signal to noise ratio 95 decibels, frequency range 20 Hz to 20 kHz. You can hook up speakers from 4 to 16 ohms, distortion rate 0.4%, support UDisc, FM radio, SD card, remote control. Gross weight 420 grams. Oh, what it says? If you use, let's say, 2 ohm speakers and the output power is 24 watts. At 16 volts, if you use 4 ohms speakers, you will get 40 watts. Okay, it's good to know that. And I have used the yellow background just for contrast, and so you can see all the details. From the left side we have the tone that go to the bass or the treble. We have the USB. Right here you can plug in your USB drives to play your MP3 songs. SD card, not micro SD, just SD card. We have the display right here, 4 buttons for controlling the songs. This is the big LED V meter. On the right side we have the knob for volume, which is also power on and power off. We have some holes so you can attach this thing on some kind of surface. From behind we have audio input, right and left channel, and we have 4 connectors. That means 4 channels A, B, C, D with speaker impedance from 4 to 8 ohms. This one is for antenna. Is this cable that you need to attach it to plug in so you can receive some FM radio stations, and it says that you need power from 12 volts, 3 amperes to 5 amperes, but in description says that you can power it with 16 volts. Why it says that? Okay, we're gonna check that. But before testing this unit, I need to mention my Ko-fi supporters. Yes, my Ko-fi page is a website where you can support my work and support my channel with 1 coffee or more coffees, or to be a monthly supporter. And here are the latest supporters, which are the monthly supporters: George William da Silva, M20, Hanover, Job67, Grant, OZ, Jono, Adrian Arts, Supporter, Coffee Supporter, Sense Funds, sorry if I pronounce some of the names wrong, Mark, David from Sunny Penson, Cyber Whiskey, Matt S, Nick, Carmelo Cortez, King Green, Dave Evans, Bob Passing, Scott Adams, and a lot of more. Thank you to all of you who support my channel. The link will be in the description below so you can check it. And the first thing that I want to mention, the cable with the DC jack that comes together in the package. I don't like it because the wires, the copper wires inside this insulation is too thin. So instead I'm gonna use my DIY cable with DC jack. Take a look at these wires. These wires will deliver enough current for the power amplifier. Okay, I have hooked up 12 volts from my power supply and powering in 3, 2, 1. Oh, take a look at that. Beautiful. What it says first, Bluetooth. With the mode button you can choose between FM radio station, aux, input and Bluetooth. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna connect my speakers and test and play some music. I connect two of these Sony speakers. They are 100 watts speakers, 6 ohms, and this power amplifier will deliver a little bit less of power because I'm using 6 ohms. If you want to get 40 watts per channel, you need to use 4 ohms. And let's power on.
FM mode.
Did you hear that? FM mode. I'm gonna attach the antenna and we're gonna scan. Okay, it's scanning and I can play some music of the radio because of the copyright sounds. Sorry about that, but never mind, it's working fine.
Line in mode.
Line in mode.
Bluetooth mode.
Bluetooth mode. First we're gonna try that Bluetooth. Okay, right now the bass and the treble is in the middle. I'm gonna turn on the volume. This is the bass. And I like it. Whoa! Here I have the micro SD card going to the SD adapter, and I'm gonna insert to the SD card slot.
SD card mode.
SD card. Whoa! It played immediately. Where is my song? No. This one. I love this song. to be clear, while the music is playing, the VU meter is working, but when you press a pause, it will go random blinking or flashing, whatever the module want. And take a look. It's working. Nope. Wow. You say down. You say slow down. I don't like you. And for those who want this music or track is Love Fast by Ryan Stasik, and you can search it and listen. It's a beautiful song. And yes, the remote control is working. Take a look. Play. Volume. Mode. Channel equalizer. Pop. Rock. Jazz. Classic. I'm gonna leave it on the rock. Take a look how loud is that at number 1, volume 1. Wow. Let's turn it off. It's turned it off. And let's turn it on again. High. SD card.
SD card mode.
That is nice. And yeah, take a look. It continues where was paused. That is a nice future. Beautiful. Love it. And if you want to get this super product or super amplifier 4-channel, the link will be in the description below, so you can check it. Also, I think that you will find some of the discount promo codes and you can apply them and get this thing cheaper. And if I receive enough comments below this video, I will open this thing and see what is inside. Let's see what kind of power amplifier chip there is inside. But that will be in another video. So please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya tomorrow. Every day new video.